Hello, my name is IlektraFerouka and I will present you a macroeconomic theory that we saw applied on Amaranto. Amaranto is the youngest consumer and member of the society in which I live. Here he is. Fortunately, at his 8 months old, he doesn't have an income, but he consumes milk and times to play, and this has a constraint, which is not an income constraint but a time constraint that we can write in an equation, the following equation, which is t equals to the time it takes him to drink milk one time times the times he drinks milk in a day plus the time it takes him to play with something times the times he plays in a day. So this is graphically the representation of his consumption. His optimum consumption is where his indifference curve of milk and juego crosses the time constraint, is represented by the blue line here. It's the point 0, let's say. But what happens when he grows up and he drinks faster his milk, which means he takes less time to drink milk in one time? Let's see what happens graphically. So first of all, we have a new time constraint, which is represented by the clearer blue line, so the second line. So he has two effects on his milk consumption. First effect is the substitution effect, which is the effect on his consumption, considering that he takes less time to drink milk, and using the same indifference curve, so the same felicity. We find this effect of substitution by going on the same indifference curve, which is u0, and trying to find the point where the slope is equal to the slope of the new time constraint. Here is the point prime, let's say, with milk prime and juego prime as coordinates. So he also has time or income in real life effect, which is when you go from prime this time to final point, and this is when we go to the new felicity or indifference curve that we can enjoy thanks to the fact that we drink faster milk. So the conclusion of this graph, what is? First, we can see that milk F is bigger than milk 0, so he can drink more milk. But also, with the graphs that we used, he can also play more, because juego F is bigger than juego 0. A third conclusion that we can make is that we can say that the effect of substitution and the effect of time, if you multiply, they stay bigger to 0, the multiplication. So that means that the milk here is a normal good. Thank you for watching this video.